Hello everyone, welcome to my new channel. This video lecture for class 7, subject science, chapter number 1, and that is nutrition in plants. We already know that the energy which we are getting from food is essential for the existence of our life on this planet, right? So now the point is what is inside the food, okay? फूड में ऐसा तो क्या है जो हमारी लाइफ सर्वाइव के लिए ज़रूरी है ना. सो एज यू आर एबल टू सी इन दिस फिगर देयर आर सम एक्टिविटीज़ आर परफॉर्म बाय डिफरेंट वेज लाइक पेंटिंग, डांसिंग, सिंगिंग, reading also, right? So this many activity, how they could be performed, what is the reason behind that? So the answer is components of food. Okay, the components like proteins, vitamins, minerals, fats, carbohydrates, water, and along with roughies, these all components are called nutrients. Fine, all these components whatever written here, these all are components and these components are called nutrients. So before understanding the topic today's lesson, we should know the meaning of nutrients and nutrition. First, as it is written, nutrients, the chemicals that are required by our body are called nutrients. That means the components from which all our life processes are carried out are called nutrients. And what is nutrition? Nutrition is the process or mode of the obtaining and utilizing nutrients is called nutrition. That means whatever the nutrients we are having by taking our different type of food, so by these nutrients we are getting some type of energy. That energy we are getting, that means you obtaining and utilizing it by doing various activities. So these new uses of nutrients, the process of uses of nutrients or utilizing of these nutrients is called nutrition. Okay, so till here I hope you all have understood what is the nutrients and what is the nutrition. Simple, nutrients are the components which we are having in our daily life by having different type of food, but nutrition is the process of obtaining and utilizing the nutrients, isn't it? So I hope you all are ready to understand today's chapter. Topics to be covered in this video lecture are modes of nutrition, photosynthesis in plants, third, activity to know that leaves carry out photosynthesis and sunlight is needed for it. Fine. So, first topic, that is modes of nutrition, the very important topic of this chapter. There are two types of modes of nutrition. First, autotrophic, second, heterotrophic. In autotrophs, we can say, under the autotrophs, we can say the mode of nutrition by which organism make their own food. As it is seeing, ऑटो मीन्स, ऑटो का मतलब क्या होता है? सेल्फ, है ना. ऑटो स्टार्ट गाड़ी बोलते हैं ना, सेल्फ स्टार्ट गाड़ी जो अपने आप किक से स्टार्ट हो जाए, सॉरी सेल से स्टार्ट हो जाती है, राइट. तो ऑटोट्रॉप्स मीन्स, ऑटो मीन्स सेल्फ एंड ट्रॉप्स मीन्स नरिशमेंट. दैट मीन्स द ऑर्गेनिजम्स which that can prepare food for themselves are called autotrophs, right? What about heterotrophs? Heterotrophs are the organisms which are depend on autotrophics, or we can say heterotrophic. Heterotrophs are the organisms which are depend on others. Okay, so heteros means other and trophs means nourishment. So what is mean by heterotrophs? The organism which are depend on others for their nourishment are called heterotrophic. So in autotrophic, we can give the example of plants, because most of the plants make their own food. Or in this lesson we will talk about autotrophic. Here we can say plants are the only organism which use the autotrophic mode of nutrition. As the chapter is nutrition plants, we will learn about autotrophic mode of nutrition and in next video lecture we will detail study about heterotrophic nutrition. So next topic, before understanding the process of photosynthesis, you must know leaves are the food factories of the plants. Okay, we all know leaves are generally playing a very important role in the plant because they are the most important part of the plant, because all food material which is prepared by the leaves and for the whole plant. Okay, leaves are the only part of the plant where food is synthesized for whole plant. Fine. So in other words, leaves are also called kitchen of the plant, because in kitchen what we are doing, generally हमारे मम्मा और ग्रैंड माँ लोग किचन में फूड बनाने का काम करते हैं. सो वी कैन से किचन इज द प्लेस वेयर फूड इज प्रिपेयर्ड. सेम वे in the plant, leaves are called food factory or the kitchen of the plant, because where food is synthesized for the whole plant. Okay, next topic. With the help of this figure, we will understand the process of photosynthesis. First, plants take in carbon dioxide from the air and water from the soil. First of all, we are learning since 4th or 5th standard, or we can say in junior classes, we have learnt about it. What is the photosynthesis? The process in which plants make their food in the presence of sunlight, carbon dioxide and water, right? But we are going in some detail, like first point, what is given, water is absorbed by the roots from soil and transported to the leaves. So what is the function of the root? Root basically absorb water and minerals from the soil. They are transported to the leaves with the different parts of the, like stem, pipelines are like given is there, like xylem and phloem is there. Regarding these topic like xylem and phloem, we will detail study in next lecture, next chapter. Okay, so these are the media, these are the parts of the plants by which water and minerals are transported to the leaves. Second point, CO2, that means carbon dioxide, is taken from the air through the tiny pores present on the surface of the leaves. As you are able to see in this figure, what is there? Carbon dioxide is trapped by the tiny pores. So what do they mean by the tiny pores? Tiny pores is the like we are breathing with the help of our nose, है ना? But plants में भी breathing का होता होगा ना कुछ part. So these small pores, as you are able to see on the surface of the leaves, small pores are given, है ना? And with these pores, the plants breathing. So these pores are called stomata, and with the help of the stomata, plant, what is doing plant? Plant is absorbing, plant is trapping the carbon dioxide and it enters through these pores. Okay, as we are able to see in first point, plants absorb, leaves absorb carbon dioxide with these small pores, and these pores are called stomata. Fine. Next point, leaves trap energy from the sunlight through the chlorophyll present in them. Now next point, what is that? Leaves trap energy. Now as we talked about, leaves are the main part of the plant by which food is prepared. अब food बनाने के लिए leaves को different things की भी ज़रूरत है. Like हम लोग, ममा आपकी किचन में फूड बनाती है ना? अच्छा, एक वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, आप ये तो नहीं सोच रहे हैं ना कि हम लोग भी तो ऑटोट्रॉप्स हुए, क्योंकि हमारी मम्मी भी तो किचन में फूड बनाती है ना? राइट. बट इट इज़ नॉट लाइक दैट. मम्मा को भी किचन में फूड बनाने के लिए रॉ मटेरियल चाहिए, इज इट? सो वो हमें रॉ मटेरियल कहाँ से मिल रहा है? प्लांट से मिल रहा है. इसलिए हम प्लांट्स को ऑटोट्रॉप्स कह सकते हैं. बट वी ह्यूमन बीइंग कम इन द कैटेगरी ऑफ हेटेरोट्रॉप्स. Let's come to the point wherever we left. Leaves trap energy from the sunlight. अब leaves क्या कर रही हैं? Sunlight से एनर्जी कैप्चर करके कहाँ पे दे रही है? क्लोरोफिल में, क्लोरोफिल तक पहुँचाने का काम कर रही है थ्रू द क्लोरोफिल. क्लोरोफिल के थ्रू सनलाइट को ट्रैप करने का काम कौन कर रहा है? लीव्स. As you are seeing, Next week, first point that is written, chloroplast trap light energy. Okay, what is the chloroplast? What do you mean by chloroplast? So we can say chloroplast trap energy, that means chloroplast present in the cells of leaves. Leaves के cells पे present होता है. And what do they work? What is the work of chloroplast? They trap energy from sunlight. Sunlight से energy trap करके कहाँ पे transport करने का काम कर रहा है? Leaves में. And how could they able to do so? कैसे कर पा रहा है? They able to do so because they hold a green pigment called chlorophyll. Because they have chlorophyll, leaves are prepared, able to make the food only in the presence of chlorophyll. If leaves don't have chlorophyll, the photosynthesis process do not occurs. Okay, photosynthesis process only in that position can be because when chlorophyll is there. अगर leaves में chlorophyll है, only in that condition photosynthesis process occur. Okay. Next, so we can say the process can be represented as an equation, right? So what equation represent here? That what is the needed, what are the requirement of the for the photosynthesis? That is sunlight, carbon dioxide plus water. Sunlight, CO2 plus O2. These three things should be available during the photosynthesis process. Only not these three things, but chlorophyll is must. Chlorophyll, in the presence of chlorophyll, sunlight, carbon and water, leaves synthesize their food, and that process is called photosynthesis. And during photosynthesis, plant make glucose, or we can say sugar, or we can say carbohydrates. These three all are the same, as they are used as the form of the food of the plants. Plants के food के form में ये तीनों चीज़, these three are same, glucose, sugar or carbohydrates. So this glucose is used as a food for the plant, and remain oxygen is released in air. ऑक्सीजन जो एक्स्ट्रा प्रोड्यूस हो रही है फोटोसिंथेसिस ड्यूरिंग प्रोसेस की, तो वो रिलीज हो जाती है. बट द ग्लूकोज दैट इज द फूड फॉर द प्लांट्स, दैट इज यूज्ड बाय द प्लांट्स. ओके, so till here photosynthesis process is over. Next is time to, now the very important thing, have you ever observed that some plants are having deep red, violet or brown leaves? Do these leaves also carry out photosynthesis? So the answer is yes. Actually, what happened? Generally such colored leaves mask the green color. Okay, जो ये हम colored leaves देख रहे हैं ना, इनमें भी chlorophyll होता है. They have also green pigment. What is chlorophyll? Chlorophyll is a green pigment, right? So we can say these leaves also having chlorophyll, but it is hidden. Okay, which means green color gets hidden under the other color pigment. Okay, इस color pigment के under green pigment it is hidden. So we can say photosynthesis takes place in these leaves also. Okay, so we can say the different colored leaves also having photosynthesis process, because they also containing green pigment, that means chlorophyll. Now it's time for activity. So what is the activity? Sunlight is necessary for the photosynthesis. To understand this topic, we have to perform activity. That is, first of all, what we have to do, cover a part of a leaf of a potted plant with a black paper. First of all, हमें क्या करना है? We have to spot a leaf. Leaf को spot करना है, and then we have to pot it with a black paper, and that leaf should be assured that should be green in color. Okay, now use the paper clips to fix the paper on both side of the leaf. लीफ के दोनों साइड से उसको पेपर क्लिप्स की हेल्प से फिक्स कर देना है. As we are able to see both side of the leaf there are paper clips are there, and with the help of these paper clips both sides are fixed. Make sure that plant gets enough sunlight. Okay, and pluck the leaf and take off the paper after 2 days. What we have to do after 2 days, we have to pluck the leaf from the plants. That means the leaf which we are able to see here, that is not separately previously. स्टार्टिंग में उसको लीफ को निकाल के हमें ब्लैक पेपर से कवर नहीं करना है. आफ्टर 2 days वी हैव टू प्लग द लीफ फ्रॉम द ट्री और प्लांट एंड व्हाट टू डू, टेक ऑफ द पेपर. उस पेपर को रिमूव कर देना है जिस ब्लैक पेपर से हमने एक पार्ट लीव्स की एक पार्ट को लीफ की एक पार्ट को कवर किया था. फाइन. नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, हीट द लीफ इन अल्कोहल एंड टेस्ट फॉर स्टार्च. As we are able to see in figure number 2, we have to boil the leaf in alcohol. Okay, पहले हीट लीफ को हीट करना है इन अल्कोहल सॉल्यूशन में. एंड अब लीफ को अल्कोहल सॉल्यूशन में क्यों रख रहे हैं, टू रिमूव द क्लोरोफिल. ओके, लीफ के क्लोरोफिल को रिमूव करने के लिए वी हैव टू बॉयल द लीफ इन अल्कोहल सॉल्यूशन. आफ्टर दैट वी हैव टू टेस्ट फॉर द स्टार्च. नाउ how will you test for the starch? So by iodine solution we can test for starch. As we are able to see in figure number 3, we are starch test is performing. So how could it will be possible? It will be possible as test for starch. It would be possible for the by pouring iodine, by keeping the leaf in iodine solution. So only that part of leaf which was exposed to sunlight will turn blue black. Okay, जो एरिया में सनलाइट लीफ के जिस which was exposed to only that part of leaf which was exposed to sunlight will turn blue black, है ना. जिस पार्ट में सनलाइट पहुंची वही पार्ट ब्लू ब्लैक कलर में टर्न होगा. व्हाई इज इट सो? because that means covered part will not turn in blue black color. covered वाला part blue black में convert नहीं होगा. क्यों? because in this part photosynthesis did not take place. starch बना ही नहीं because sunlight was not present there. जहाँ पे जो पार्ट हमने ब्लैक कलर से ब्लैक पेपर से कवर कर लिया वहाँ पे सनलाइट एक्सपोज नहीं हो पाया, जिसके कारण वहाँ पे स्टार्च नहीं बना. सो एट दैट प्रॉपर प्लेस photosynthesis did not take place. Fine. So that part will not turn in blue black color. Remain part where sunlight was exposed, that part will turn into blue black color. Fine. So here what will be the conclusion? We can conclude that sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis. क्योंकि sunlight हमें photosynthesis के लिए that is required. Without sunlight लीफ का जो पार्ट को हमने ब्लैक कलर से कवर किया था वहाँ पे स्टार्च भी नहीं मिला, फोटोसिंथेसिस प्रोसेस नहीं हुआ क्योंकि वहाँ पे सनलाइट नहीं पहुँची, है ना. एयर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड और वाटर दोनों पहुंच गए, बट एब्सेंस ऑफ द सनलाइट इन दैट पार्ट स्टार्च विल नॉट प्रिपेयर, फोटोसिंथेसिस विल नॉट टेक प्लेस. ओके, सो in conclusion we can say sunlight is must for the photosynthesis. Okay, so here we have completed the how do plants use autotrophic mode of nutrition and how photosynthesis process occur in plants. Okay, hope so you all have understood. If you have any query you can ask by commenting. If you really like the video, please like, share the video with your friends and relatives. And don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe.